Hi everyone. Today came in our virtual lab our next experiment, that is a preparation of benzilic acid and the determination of its melting point. Is our general aim. Now we'll focus on the procedure through which we will go through to carry out the experiment. First we will take a mixture of benzyl 4 gram and potassium hydroxide 6 gram. It is then very carefully to be dissolved in water 10 ml and rectified spirit 13 ml, and then it will be mixed well and refluxed in a water bath for about 12 minutes. The heated mixture is then cooled in a beaker containing water. But sometimes while carrying out we will find a colloidal mixture can be obtained due to the unreacted benzyl. Then we have to add charcoal, then animal charcoal of 2 gram, and then again we have to filter it. Then we will get a clean filtrate which we have to add crushed ice with constant stirring, and concentrated HCl has to be added of 7 ml. The filtered benzilic acid is washed with water until chloride gets free. The chlorine ion gets free. It will be removed as again HCl. It is then recrystallized and to get the pure precipitated product. The product which we will get as a needle shaped crystals of the benzilic acid. Now taken into account the reaction. The benzyl is nothing but a dione which contains two aldehyde group, which we have to convert into an acid group, and correspondingly another double bond O will be converted to OH. So first we have to add benzyl with potassium hydroxide. There are corresponding salt of potassium will be formed, that is COOK. At last we added HCl, which will be removed the Cl as KCl, and the H will be getting attached to get our desired product of benzilic acid. Now concentrated on the mechanism of the reaction. First we take pH C double bond O, C double bond O, pH, that is a phenyl group, pH for the phenyl group. Then we have added KOH. First the rearrangement takes place, that is a double bond breaking of the oxygen takes place, and corresponding potassium ion getting attached and the corresponding OH group. Similarly, we can see there is a shipment of charge of the second oxygen, that is a double bond will break and a negative charge will develop, and correspondingly it will form a COOH. In the next part we will get a potassium benzilic acid. We will get there is a potassium salt of the benzilic acid, where the again KOH will be attached as COOK and the corresponding OH. The corresponding O molecule will be converted to OH as there is a negative charge developed which getting attached with the H. Then we have to add the HCl, which will remove as KCl, and the corresponding benzilic acid product we will get. Now concentrate on the calculation part. In this part I have not shown the calculation because in the last part I have shown in the very full detailed manner that we have to calculate the molecular weight of benzyl, I have given you the periodic table from where you can able to calculate the benzyl molecular weight and the corresponding benzillic acid molecular weight. So the theoretical yield will be that the molecular weight, let's take the molecular weight of benzyl as X and the benzillic acid as Y. So the X gram of benzyl will yield Y gram of benzillic acid. So 1 gram will yield Y by X. Now we have taken 4 gram of benzyl for our reaction. Hence, Y by X into 4, we will get the theoretical value. That is a theoretical yield. Correspondingly, after the college reopens, we can able to calculate the practical yield by weighing it in the balance, means after the we getting do the experiment to get the product. So the percentage yield will be practical yield by theoretical yield into 100. We will get the percentage yield in this fashion, like the last experiment. We will calculate the melting point by melting point apparatus, that is a capillary tube. We will just dry the product and tap into it and see the range of the melting point in the melting point apparatus, but which is not feasible for us in the virtual one. So we will just write down the given noted melting point of benzoic acid from any Google platform of any other platform. Benzillic acid is a very useful product in our pharmaceutical industry because it helps in the formation of the glycolate. Like it helps in the preparation of clindinium drugs and other ones for which act as an antagonist of the muscarinic acetylcholine receptor. This is a use of benzillic acid. Hope you understand the total process and you can carry out the experiment when our college will reopens. Thank you.